really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
Merry Christmas!
Many times, many ways, Merry
Hey, I'm Tythedancer.
Hey, Kalia. And today is Vlogmas Day.
Yay!
And today we're going to be making Christmas slime. So
So,
make sure y'all like,
Subscribe
and hit that little bell.
okay. So what are y'all? Basically, let's teach whoever don't know how to make slime. Let's teach them how to make the best slime.
ever!
So we're gonna start with. Go ahead, guys.
Glue. So you can bring your container or bowl up here and pull up your sleeves so no slime will get on your clothes because it's hard to come off.
Sit down, Steve.
Show me the time.
You need some glue, some spoons, but you need 2 spoons in case you break one. And you need some glitter, some paint, and some shaving cream,
And
and some
In
time.
a bowl. But guys, we making Christmas slime, but like whatever slime y'all want, we making fluffy slime.
Yeah. So let's get
into the video. So guys, you can add it guys, we can add 2 or 1.
Yeah, y'all can add 2.
Okay. Guys, make sure it's all in there. And to get the slime off
You
there,
done, Ty?
Yeah.
So Ty, when you're done with it, give it to me so I can put it in the bag.
because guys, make sure you
Thank
get
you.
clean, not messy.
Yep, keep your areas clean is what I always tell them.
Yeah.
Clean areas are.
And keep liking and keep hitting that little bell if y'all like the Vlogmas.
Shut up, man.
Mila.
Okay, so guys, what is the next step to some good slime?
Add some
Some paint.
Go ahead.
Guys, we gotta.
glue.
Guys, I'm
Let's
not
get
gonna add
closer.
too much because I'm trying to make like a dark green.
Now, what's the next step, guys?
Mix.
But I'm
We're talking about mixing. You're not even mixing. Guys,
Ty, what color is that?
don't place your spoon like that because the spoon can soak in the glue.
Yeah, we don't want that.
And
So
then
Ty, can we get a
always
close up
have
of yours?
Yep.
It's looking good. Let me see, guys. Put your bowl up so I can see it.
Yeah,
Ooh, that's looking like the Grinch.
Yeah.
The
the
Grinch.
Guys, we saw me and my cousin Cherry.
Where did the sprinkles toss it? Ty, make sure you close your thing back. Close your paint.
Guys, and y'all gotta make sure y'all add the glitter first because or else it'd be messy so the glitter can stick in the slime.
You're not gonna push shaving cream? Please don't get nothing in your clothes. Sit down, Ty, so they can see you.
Just red.
Is this open?
And let me see. I don't want you to squirt nothing in your face or your eyes. Just point it at the bowl.
Guys,
I'm gonna make
the videos get glitter,
Tell your spoon.
glitter every day. Guys, y'all need to see a close up of this.
All right, come on. Ooh.
It's been so thin. And I got it, but I'm so hard. Guys, this is like a fluffy slime. Y'all can add how much you didn't? I just added some. But guys, right now, is Silver in Christmas spirit?
Yeah,
Huh?
I'm putting it in. And go.
There you go.
I'm putting all these colors with such fucking.
Gold in the Christmas spirit.
yeah.
And
Because the paper wrapper is in there.
Guys, I want to see if my slime will last until Christmas.
That'd be cool.
Okay.
Now it's all you have to see. Yep, it's portable close to it. And I'll make sure it don't fall.
Guys, it's okay if our hands get messy.
Yep, just don't wipe it on your clothes.
yeah.
And then when I come back, y'all can just tie. Hold on, I'll be right back after this.
Probably yours thinking too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm not
that's
adding too much shaving cream. Because remember the last time my slime got a lot?
Guys, let's get into it. Y'all know,
Trying to look at my
y'all know your girl Tariana whipping.
Y'all know your girl Kai whipping.
Kelly,
But-
look at mine.
So cute. Guys,
I
look
like
at
yours
mine.
too.
Guys, look at mine.
Look at mine.
To make a whisper. Guys, look. I'm very feeling the Christmas spirit.
Me
I
too.
feel like eating hot chocolate.
I
Hot
just
cocoa. Hot cocoa and watching Christmas chronicles.
yeah.
Play with the slam too. I'm gonna add a little of that.
Guys,
Guys.
I add a little.
We said guys at the same time. Cause I was trying to say, guys, guys, I'm gonna. Guys, this is so epic. Like, I've never seen two pretty slimes. Oh, always one of them gotta be wrong.
Be careful.
So you like mine?
No, wipe. That was for your hands. You don't have to get that up. It's fine.
So you like
Listen.
mine.
Same time. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, guys, so on this screen now we're about to add the time. And little by little, because we don't want it to be overactivated. I could add way more, but I just like don't like to overactivate it. Because one time,
When I first did slime, remember we overactivated it?
Yeah.
So
trying not to get the top dirty.
I'm trying not to get
Try not to get it. You almost wasted the time.
Yeah, because it was glittery.
Guys, right now, as y'all can see, when it's picking up, like you can pick it up and like that, it's still not done. It's kind of activated. You just want to add a lot on this part.
Guys,
Yeah,
it's
let's-
like mine is cute, but I need to keep mixing going.
Okay, y'all see that, guys?
Yeah, y'all see that? Guys, our slime is fluffy. I need some more of that. Mine is just plain like blue.
Guys, the tie soak to the bottom and then it makes a little hole. Oh no.
What happened?
big slime. Pull the sleeves up.
I'm mixing my hands too.
We need some more tie.
You was adding a lot of paint.
Don't jinx me.
Damn.
Oh, guys, I don't know what to do.
This girl.
Thank you, Essa.
So guys, it's been like 10 minutes since I turned the camera off.
And this still not.
And they need more activators, so that's what I'm about to go get out the laundry room.
Oh, guys, it's coming up, but we just need more activator.
Yeah, that's what mine's need.
Okay, guys, be right back.
And then it's like
Turning it right.
Guys, I think they messed it up.
Guys, mine's coming out. It's just too milky.
No, that's messed up. Girl, that's overactivated.
Mine not. It just.
It's not turning into nothing. Is it a fail, y'all?
Yes.
So,
It
guys,
would have been had self.
it failed. I don't know, maybe because of the paint.
Yeah. I think the paint.
So, y'all, I think it's a fail.
Yes.
I think the paint messed it up.
Yeah, so next time, don't get this paint, guys.
We're gonna, let me show y'all what paint not to get. Because we never got this paint before. Hold on, it's focusing on Kylie head. Okay. So don't get this paint if you're making slime. I don't know, maybe because it's water. I don't know, guys. Guys, sorry, because they know how to make good slime. I'm gonna have to go get the. Okay. Oh, and another thing, the glue was not Elmer's glue. It was a different glue.
Oh, but we used that glue before in the world.
I know, but all the Elmer's glue was gone from Walmart, y'all. It was no Elmer's glue. I don't know if everybody making slime. I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know if that thing. I don't know if slime came back out popular. But,
Right, but it is definitely
or school
gone.
glue.
But guys, we're gonna try this video again. So if you see them making another slime video, just know we're coming back harder with
Harder
another.
than this.
Right. So y'all go ahead and end this video. Go.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that little zombie. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Grossy.